it's Brooke with WTI. If you want to make cleaning easier and fun, check out this F500 Cordless Hard Floor Cleaner by HIZERO.
I appreciate this so much because it cleans my floors so good. I've never had my floors this clean. It doesn't leave even any crumbs or stickiness behind. It feels, the texture is just spotless, feels amazing. I also appreciate how easy it is to use. It kind of pulls me along, so if I let go of the handle, it'll actually go forward itself and do some cleaning. I think it's really cool because it separates the dirty water from the crumbs. So this is just so easy to keep nice and clean. And when I dump out the dirty water, I'm not going to clog my sink. It's easy to fill. All the parts are so easy to take out and put back in. You just push a button. And I like that I can put warm water up to 104 degrees into the tank with the cleaning solution. And I love that it comes with everything that I need. I love that it's already ready to go. You just have to charge it. I appreciate that it's also cordless, which makes cleaning my home so much quicker and easier. And I also like that the battery charge lasts the whole time I'm cleaning. So you can get an hour's worth of cleaning, but because this is so efficient, it does such a great job. I get my cleaning done really quick, maybe 20-30 minutes. So if you also need to work on just motivation to even want to clean your floors, this is a motivation for me. This works. I love it. It is such a cool, awesome hard floor cleaner, and it just makes me feel better about entering my home. Another great benefit is that this does not kick up any dust while it's cleaning my floors. I also appreciate that it's super quiet and I'm able to listen to my music while I'm cleaning.
If you're thinking about this, definitely worth it. But that's just my point of view.